Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to create a Venn diagram in Excel. We all know how a nonverbal presentation helps in better interpretation of data. One such way to represent data is by using a Venn diagram. This type of representation is mostly used to represent the similarities and differences between one or a group of data. Creating a Venn diagram in Excel is pretty much similar to creating or customizing other graphs or charts. I will show you how to create a Venn diagram in Excel in two simple ways. First, let us see how to create a Venn diagram using SmartArt. To create a SmartArt Venn diagram, navigate to Insert. Under Illustrations, from the drop-down, click on SmartArt. This opens up a Choose a SmartArt Graphic dialog box, which shows the different templates to create a SmartArt graphic. Click on Relationship. Scroll down and click on the Venn diagram you want to select. Clicking on the choice of your Venn diagram shows up a description for the selected graphic. Click OK. This populates the basic layout of the Venn diagram in the middle of the Excel sheet. To move the whole chart, click anywhere near the circle. This changes the mouse pointer to a four-sided pointer. Click and drag to move the chart. If you want to resize the chart, place your mouse pointer on the anchor points. This changes the mouse pointer to a two-sided pointer. Click and drag to resize the chart. Likewise, you can move each circle and resize them. Click on the circle. Use the border line to move the circle and use the anchor points to resize the circles. You can add text to the Venn diagram by clicking on the text places or by using the text pane. To insert text in the overlapping spaces, navigate to Insert. Under Illustrations, click the drop-down from Shapes and select the text box. Left-click and drag the cursor to create a text box in your preferred place. Enter your text. Though the text is added, you can see the text box is populating oddly. To remove that, right-click on the text box and click on Format Shape. This opens a Format Shape pane on the right side of the Excel sheet. Under Shape Options, select No Fill in the both Fill and Line drop-downs. To add another shape, navigate to SmartArt Design. Under Create Graphic, click on Add Shape. This adds another shape to the original Venn diagram to represent the data. In case you feel like there is no need for an additional shape, you can always delete them. Just select the shape you want to delete and click on the Delete key. You can use the SmartArt Design and Format option in the main menu to add additional customizations. Another way to create a Venn diagram is by using shapes. This is a less common way to create Venn diagrams. However, this method lets you customize the Venn diagram in your favored way. To create a Venn diagram using shapes, navigate to Insert. Under Illustrations, from the Shapes drop-down, select Oval. This lets you draw any shape in any dimension depending on your preference. To create a basic three-circle Venn diagram, click, drag the mouse pointer, and create Draw Three Circles. Initially, the circles would be opaque and show no resemblance to a Venn diagram. To change them, we need to reduce their opacity. Select all three circles by holding Control, right-click on the circles, and click on Format Object. This opens up a Format Shape pane on the right side of the screen. In Shape Options, under Fill, increase or decrease the transparency of the solid fill. This gives us the required Venn diagram. You can move the chart, add text by using the above-mentioned steps in the previous method. You can change the style, color, and layout of the shapes and text using the Shape Format option. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to create and customize the Venn diagram using two methods. You can use either of the methods based on your requirements. Feel free to leave any queries or thoughts in the comment section below. We are always happy to help you. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to count cells with text in Excel. In a spreadsheet consisting of different data types, you might sometimes have to pinpoint the cells with the text and count them to perform any function or operation. There are three cases that occur when you count cells with text in Excel. Let us see them one after the other. To count all the text values in a given Excel sheet, you can use the COUNTIF function along with a wildcard character. This function with a wildcard counts all the text values in a given range. To count the cells with text in Excel, choose a destination cell and enter the formula. The asterisk symbol specifies anything other than numbers to be counted, including blank spaces and special characters. However, this method does not count logical values. You can use the same COUNTIF function and wildcards to count the number of cells with text in them. This method only counts cells that hold any text value and does not count any blank cell in the given range. To count the cells which have text values in them, enter the formula. In the destination cell, this is the same as the previous case, but adding the question mark wildcard together with the star wildcard only counts the cells which have text values. There is another case that occurs when you count cells with text in Excel, and it is used when you have to count specific words in Excel. To count the cells with the specific value, you can just enter the text to count within quotations in the formula. Suppose you want to count the occurrences of a particular word in a range of cells. You can just enter the formula to count the occurrences of the particular word in the given range of cells. Knowing how to count cells with text in Excel is essential for using some functions in Excel. Hope you learned how to convert text to numbers in Excel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to find and replace in Excel. Find and replace option in Excel is used to search for any particular data and replace it with the data of your choice. This option would be very helpful when the data set is large. To find and replace the values, navigate to Home. From the Find and Select drop-down, click on Replace. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+H. This opens up the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What text box, enter the value you want to find. In the Replace With dialog box, enter the value you want to replace the found value with. Once you have entered the value, you can see the two buttons to help you find the data and the other two buttons to help you replace the data. When you enter any value and click on Find Next, Excel searches through the sheet and shows you the first occurrence of the particular data. When you click on Find Next again, Excel searches for the next occurrence of the data in the worksheet. When you click the Find All button, Excel shows you all the cells that contain the particular value. You can scroll down and click on the value to display in the worksheet. When you first click on the Replace button, Excel replaces the first instance of the value with the value in the Replace With text box and highlights the next occurrence of the value. If you click on the Replace button again, the highlighted value will be replaced and the next occurrence of the value will be highlighted. If you don't want to replace the particular value, click on the Find Next button. Once you have replaced all the entries of the particular value, Excel will throw a pop-up saying Excel couldn't find a match. Click OK to close the pop-up. Instead of replacing the values one after the other, you can just click on Replace All to replace all the values in an instant. Once you click on Replace All, Excel replaces all the data and throws a pop-up showing the number of replacements done. Click OK to close the pop-up. That is all, folks. The Find and Replace function is very helpful and offers a variety of functionalities to help you search and replace data or values in Excel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video tutorial, let us see how to merge cells in Excel. When exporting or downloading any workbook or spreadsheet, the large data might contain different sections which can be improperly aligned or oriented. Without further ado, let us get into how to merge cells in Excel. One way to easily merge cells in Excel using the Merge in Center option. To merge the cells, first, select the cells you want to merge. After selecting the cells, navigate to Home. Under the Alignment column, select Merge and Center. You can either select the option directly or click on the drop-down and select any merging option to merge the cells. Another easy way to merge cells is to use the keyboard shortcut keys. To merge cells using the keyboard shortcuts, first select the cells by holding the Shift key and using the arrow keys to select the adjacent cells. Now, hold the Alt key and press H. This opens the hotkeys layout, which shows the specific keys corresponding to specific operations. Press M. This shows up a list of options from the Merge drop-down. Press any of the keys to merge the cells in a specific format. This merges the separate cells into one single cell. The last method to merge cells is by using the Format Cells option. Select the cells you want to merge and right-click on them. Select the Format Cells option, or you can use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl+1. This opens up a Format Cells dialog box. Click on the Alignment tab. Under the Text Control section, check the checkbox for Merge Cells and click OK. This merges all the selected cells. That is all, folks. We now know how to merge cells in Excel in 3 easy ways. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, let us see how to convert formulas to values in Excel. In some cases, you might need to convert the formula to static values for ease of operation and better functionality of the workbook. Let us get right into it. The first way to convert formulas to values in Excel is by copying and pasting them as values. Select the cell or group of cells. Next, copy the selected cells by right-clicking on the selected cells and selecting Copy. When pasting, right-click on the destination cell and paste them as values, V. This pastes the copied values with formulas as values. When you click on the pasted cell, only the values show up on the formula bar. To convert the cells with formulas to values using the function key, first select the cell. Press the function key F2 to enter the edit mode. Once you press F2, the formula shows up in the destination cell place. When you enter the edit mode, the formula shows in both the cell and the formula bar instead of the value. Now press F9 to permanently convert the formula into a value. Another effective way to convert formulas to values in Excel is by dragging and dropping the cells. First, select the cells you want to convert to values. Move the cursor to the edge of the selected cells. You can see the default mouse pointer turn into the 4-sided pointer. Now, right-click the selected cells and drag them to the desired place. You can either drag or drop them at the same destination or move them to another destination. Once you let go of the right mouse button, a dialog box opens. Select Copy Here as Values Only from the dialog box. In some cases, you might want to keep the formulas as such and have the converted cells with the formulas into a new cell or worksheet. Using a Power Query can help you convert the formulas to values onto a new worksheet. To create a Power Query, first select the cells. Then navigate to Data. Under the Get and Transform Data section, select from Table/Range. This opens up a Create Table dialog box. Click OK. This opens the Power Query Editor, which shows the selected cells converted into values. Click on Close and Load. Once you click on Close and Load, a new worksheet is created in the existing Excel workbook, and all of the selected cells with formulas are converted into values. These are some really helpful and effective methods to help you convert formulas to values. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, let us see how to randomize a list in Excel. In some lists or tables, there might be the need to shuffle the entries randomly. We randomize the entries of a list or table while picking any random criteria in an unbiased way. Now let us see two ways to randomize a list in Excel with an example. One way to randomize a list is to use a combination of formulas in Excel. You can use the sort by formula with a combination of rand array and count a functions with a few criteria to randomize the list. First, select any destination cell to create the random list. Enter the formula in the destination cell and press Enter. This creates a random list of entries from the selected range of cells onto the destination cell. The second method just employs the rand function to create random values and randomly sort the data. However, it employs a couple of steps to arrive at the randomly sorted data. First, select a destination cell. Enter the formula and press Enter. When you press Enter, a random value populates in the cell. Use the drag handle to apply the formula to the remaining cells. As of now, it makes no sense, and the values are not random yet. Now, with the selected cells, navigate to Data. Under the Sort and Filter section, click on Sort. You can sort the random values, either ascending or descending. Excel throws a warning suggesting you select the data adjacent to the random values. Select the Expand the selection and click Sort. Once you click on Sort, the random values will be sorted out along with the values. You can delete the random values and just keep the list that has been randomized. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to randomize a list in Excel in two easy ways. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to hide formula bar in Excel. The formula bar is one of the most important features in Excel. It helps display not just formulas, but also details pertaining to the cell. However, in some cases, the formula bar might be a little inappropriate for your needs and requirements in your current worksheet. In such cases, you might want to hide them and display the formula bar again only when needed. Let us see how to hide the formula bar in Excel and how to show them when necessary. First, let us see how to hide formula bar in Excel from the View main menu. To hide the formula bar in Excel, first, open any spreadsheet and select any cell. The cell can contain formulas and data, or it can even be an empty cell. Navigate to View. Under the Show section, uncheck the checkbox for the formula bar. You can see that the instant you uncheck the checkbox, the formula bar disappears. In the same way, you can choose to show the formula bar in Excel. Again, navigate to View and check on the box for Formula Bar. The formula bar appears with the formula on the selected cell. There is another method to hide and show the formula bar using the Excel options. Open any Excel workbook, navigate to File, and click on Options. This opens the Excel Options dialog box. In the dialog box, click on Advanced in the left pane. Scroll down under Display Options. Uncheck the checkbox for the Show Formula bar. Click OK. This hides the formula bar from the Excel workbook. In the same way, you can show the formula bar in Excel. One of the easiest and fastest methods to hide or show the formula bar in Excel is by using the keyboard shortcut keys. With the help of a few keyboard taps, you can easily hide or show the formula bar in Excel. First, open an Excel workbook. Press the Alt key. Once you press the Alt key, Excel shows you a layout of shortcut keys that correspond to a specific function. Press the keys which are mapped to View and the ones which are mapped to the formula bar checkbox. Press W and press V, and then press F. This instantly hides the formula bar. You can use the same method if the formula bar is already hidden and you want to display it. Press the keyboard shortcut key Alt and then W, V, and F, one after the other to show the formula bar in Excel. In this video, we saw 3 methods on how to hide the formula bar in Excel and display it when needed. If you prefer having the formula bar displayed on your worksheet, you can choose to show the formula bar. And if you're a person who prefers to have the formula bar hidden while working, you can choose any of the methods to hide the formula bar in Excel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, let us see about cell styles in Excel. Cell styles refer to formatting and features that you can customize in a cell. Using the Cell Styles option in Excel, you can easily modify the formatting and profile of a cell and its contents with the click of a button. In this video, I'll show you how to apply built-in styles, create custom styles, and remove the cell styles in Excel when not necessary. First, let us see how to apply the built-in cell styles in Excel. Select a cell or a group of cells. Navigate to Home. Under the Styles section, click on the drop-down from Cell Styles. When you click the drop-down, you can see a variety of cell styles with different fill colors, border colors, and fonts. Once you select your desired cell style, the style with the formatting will be applied to the selected cells. Even though there are a variety of cell styles to choose from, there might be some instances where you might not be satisfied with the available options. In such instances, you can create your custom style with the necessary options to suit your purpose. To create a custom cell style, first, select a cell or a range of cells. Go to Home. From the drop-down from Cell Styles, click on New Cell Style. This opens up a Style dialog box. Under Styles Includes, by example, you can see the different format options the cell is formatted for. From the Style Name text box, you can set the name of the custom style. To change the other aspects of the cell, click on Format. This opens up the Format dialog box. Under the tabs provided, you can change the formatting type, font, border, color, and alignment of the cells. Additionally, you can also choose to lock and protect the cells to prevent them from being edited. After making all the necessary changes, click OK. This adds the custom style in the Cell Styles dropdown. If you want to change the cell style, you can do it with a click. Select the cells you want to format, then select the custom format you created from the Cell Styles dropdown. When working on cell styles, you might sometimes feel the existing styles to be a little inadequate. You also don't want to create a cell style from scratch. In such cases, you can just tweak and modify the existing styles a little to create your style. To modify an existing style, click on the drop-down from Cell Styles. Right-click on the style you want to customize and click on Modify. When you click on Modify, the Style dialog box opens. In the same way, check the checkboxes for the formatting features you want to include in the cell style. For additional settings, click on Format. This opens the Format Cells dialog box. Select and customize all the necessary options and click on OK. Now, if you click on the drop-down from Cell Styles, you can see the default built-in font modified based on your input options. It is always a good practice to copy a cell style and then modify them instead of overriding the existing cell style. In such cases, you can duplicate a built-in or custom cell style and modify them. To duplicate a cell style, go to Home and click on the drop-down from Cell Styles. This shows you a list of built-in and custom cell styles. Now, right-click on the style you want to duplicate and select Duplicate. This in turn opens the Styles dialog box. Select the format features you want to include using the Format option. Click OK. Now, the duplicated font gets saved under the Custom section of the Cell Styles dropdown. You can now use the style whenever needed. In case you're not satisfied with the cell style, you can either change the cell style or remove them. To remove the cell style, first select the cells with a particular cell style. Navigate to Home. Click on the drop-down from Cell Styles. Select Normal. This removes the cell styles from the formatted cells and the cells are reset to the default cell styling. You can delete a cell if you are not satisfied with the style formatting or if you don't need them anymore. To delete a cell style, go to Home. Click on the drop-down from the cell styles. Right-click on the cell style you want to delete and click on Delete. This deletes the particular cell style from the cell style repository. That is all, everyone. In this video, we saw how to apply a cell style, modify, duplicate a cell style, create a custom cell style, remove a cell style, and even delete them. Depending on your needs, you can choose to use any option that suits your purpose the best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. Page numbers are used to identify and refer to a particular content with much ease. We have already seen how to add page numbers to a Word document, but how would you add page numbers in Excel? In this video, let us see how to add page numbers in Excel and how to customize them with the options available. In the normal mode, Excel appears as a whole worksheet with the scroll button consisting of cells without any page break or space to add page numbers. To add page numbers in Excel sheets, navigate to the View main menu. Select the Page Layout option. Once you click this option, the Excel sheet is split up into pages, both horizontally and vertically. You can either add page numbers in the header or footer. In this case, let us add page numbers in the footer. Scroll down and click on Add Footer. This shows you 3 partitions in the footer to add page numbers. You can either add the page numbers on the left side of the page, to the right side of the page, or in the center of the page. Once you click on the footer, you can see the header and footer option in the main menu. Under the Header and Footer Elements section, click on the page number. Once you click on Page Number, you can see the text and page in the footer section. Now, click anywhere in Excel and you can see the numbers populating in the selected partition of the header or the footer. This is another way to add page numbers in Excel. In addition to adding page numbers, this method has a variety of options and functionalities to customize them. Let us first see how to add page numbers. Navigate to the View main menu and change the view to Page Layout. Now, go to Page Layout main menu and click on the Page Setup options, which can be seen as a small Extend option. This opens the Page Setup dialog box. Navigate to the Header Footer tab. If you want to add page numbers as the header, click on the drop-down from the header. In the same way, you can click on the drop-down from the footer to add the page number in the footer. Select the way you want to add the page numbers from the suggestions. Click OK. This inserts the page number in the Excel sheet. Though page numbers are a valuable addition to your worksheet, Sometimes you might not need a page number. To delete a page number, click on the page number in the header or footer section. This highlights the page number. Delete them and click Away. This deletes the page numbers in the selected page and the following pages. That is all, people. In this video, we saw how to add page numbers in Excel using two different methods. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to create a funnel chart in Excel. Funnel charts help to portray data over multiple stages. When the data gradually increases or decreases during each stage of a process, there can be no better option than to use the funnel chart. To create a funnel chart for the required data, first select the data. Go to Insert and click on Recommended Charts. When you click on Recommended Charts, a dialog box opens which shows you a list of chart options that might be the best chart to depict your presentation. Choose the funnel chart from the recommended charts. Once you click on it, you can see the description on the right side of the dialog box. Click OK to insert the chart into the Excel sheet. In case you couldn't find the funnel chart in recommended charts, click on the drop-down from Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock, Surface, or Radar chart and select Funnel to insert the funnel chart. This gives you a dynamic funnel chart that populates in the center of the sheet. If you change any data, the graph depicting the data automatically changes. If you want to customize the chart, you can use the shortcut customizable buttons on the side of the chart. For additional customization, click on the chart or section of the chart. Navigate to Chart Design or Format to edit the chart. Double-click on any section of the chart to open Format Data Series for an in-depth personalization and customization of the chart. That is all, everyone. We now know how to successfully create a funnel chart in Excel easily and efficiently. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full course that this video came from, click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.